Today I will discuss about the solution of the problem number 3 from the chapter 27 of this book Survey 7th edition. Problem number 3 is suppose the current in conductor decrease exponentially with time according to the equation this I equal to I naught exponential minus t over tau. Tau is time constant where I naught is initial current. Tau is constant having dimension of time. Consider the fixed observation point within the conductor. How much charge pass through this point? T equal to 0 to t tau. Okay, then if time is equal to time constant, if time is equal to 10 time of tau, and if the time is infinity. Since as we easily observe that the in our problem current is given, expression of current is given, that is I naught exponential of minus t over tau. T over tau. Okay, but we have to find the value for q. We have to find the expression for charge. Given we can easily observe that given is current expression, and we have to find the expression for uh, charge for time tau and for this and this time. Okay. This is charge. Okay. As we know that this charge dq may be write as in the form of run in this way, because when we multiply or divide with the same identity with any number or any quantity, the quantity or number will remain the same. So the dq will be remain the same. Dq, if we divide it with the dt and multiply with the dt. By taking the integrate both side, if we integrate both side, then q will become dq over dt. Uh, Okay, dt. Because it is derivative, and we may write as I. This charge per unit time, derivative of charge with respect to time is defined as current. So this may be right in this form. Because this is derivative with respect to time, so time is from 0 to t. So because if you may easily observe that the time is from 0 to time 0 start from 0 to tau. So that's why have to mention for different problem that will be tau, then tau, and we will have. So 0 to t, we have to write this expression. Okay. Okay. And so while I is as given above, I is equal to I naught exponential of minus t over tau dt. You may write, or you may write this q is equal to because I naught is constant, so I may come out from the sign of integration, and this will be a minus t over tau d. As I have already explained, this tau is constant, so I may write is in the form of not. One is also constant, tau is constant. I separated the constant from this, and this will be equal to this. Since we know that the integration of exponential is the same, and we have to divide the derivative. So we may write it in this way: minus 1 over tau over minus this constant minus 1 over actually minus 1 over tau, and the value is from 0 to t. Or when this will become here, so this become I naught minus this because it is divided, and when division will be converted into multiplication, uh, because it is at denominator, so the order will be changed, so this will become minus tau exponential of minus t minus t over, yeah, or you may say that I naught power of if power of 0, then that will be a 1. Minus we multiply minus with inside with the minus 1, then result will be equal to I naught tau minus 1 will become plus 1 and exponential become a minus, so that will be a minus. Okay, so this will be our q. Okay, now the a part is when t is equal to tau, t equal to, so a part q, or you may say that this qt is the expression as this, and t equal to tau, then qt will be equal to I naught tau 1 minus tau 1 tau. That will be cancelled, so that will be equal to I naught tau 1 minus 1, or you may say that 1 over t. And that okay. And after calculating, the value is 0.632. You may say that 0.632 I naught. Yeah. Uh, the same is true for B. B is when T is equal to 10 tau. B is T when T is equal to 10 tau. So Q will be equal to not tau when T is equal to 10. Okay. So I naught okay. I naught. uh, Good. Now the last is when C is in T is infinity. I mean T is infinite. So Q infinity will be equal to I naught 1 minus infinity I naught 1 over infinity naught uh, 1 minus 0, and then that will be I naught Z. So these will be a different answer. Q infinity, this will be for this. These will be the answer. Okay. So if you have any confusion or any question, please put question on the your remarks or feedback in the comment box. It will be highly appreciated, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Now we will go toward the next question.